Hey YouTube fam, this is Ken with LearningZen. Thanks for watching. Have you ever been editing video for maybe a product demonstration or a software tutorial, only to find out you have more voiceover than video? All right, I'm back. Or maybe you want to freeze a frame so you can discuss it in further detail. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a freeze frame in Camtasia 2022. Okay, so here we are inside Camtasia 2022. And you can see I have some content on my timeline, just a video, a voiceover, and then a music bed, just a project that I was working on. And you can see here I'm at the end of the video, but I still have some voiceover here. And I have no video to show that. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to extend the frame. In order to extend the frame, you're going to select your video, take your mouse and come to the end and hover over it so that you have the arrow facing each way. Now, if you're on a PC, you'll press Control-Alt and then click your mouse. And you can see now that you can drag that out. I can drag it out to there, and what we've done is we've just extended the frame. You can see here there's a little stitching kind of mark just to notify that your video actually ends here. This is going to be a still image. So that's one way that you can extend a frame. Let's say you're here and you want to spend some time and go deeper down into this section, but the video jumps right ahead. So what you can do is go to the point that you want the video to stop, and just above the timeline on the left-hand side, you'll see an icon of a camera. You can click the camera, and it will take a picture of what is on your canvas. And now that just created that image, and what I can do, click on my video, cut, slide this down, bring this frame in. I can make this frame any size I want. If it's larger, if it's smaller, to meet the voiceover. And now you've just created an image. So that is how to create a freeze frame and extend a frame in Camtasia 2022. If you like this video or any of the videos on our channel, why don't you go ahead and give us a like, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when we come out with new videos. Until next time, remember, laugh more and learn more. See ya. And now if you're on a Mac, you're going to press Control-Alt, and if you